If you're watching this video, you take pride in your equipment and want to be prepared for any eventuality. Portamix machines come with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. But if you register your product online, you'll receive an additional 2 years of coverage. Let's go over the terms of our warranty coverage, any limitations, as well as how to register and what you can expect after that registration. The terms of our 1 to 3 year warranty covers factory defects and damage due to material defects or production. The latter shall be actually repaired free of charge at Portamix or a Portamix Hippo Service Center if returned in a non-dismantled condition. If you do need assistance with a claim, you can actually go back to the dealer you originally purchased from for assistance or deal with Portamix directly, and we can assist you in getting back in action. To go over some of the limitations, our warranty does not cover damage due to natural wear and tear, overstressing of the product, or improperly handling your products. One example of this is using improper power cables or power source related issues. So if you're concerned about mishandling or power related issues, we have assembled a library of resources as well as training for you or your installers to make sure that you're mixing properly. Now, in order to gain that extra 1 year of a manufacturer warranty on your Portamix product, you need to make sure that you fill out your warranty registration form online. For this, you need to have your serial number and receipt ready. We will require a little bit of information about you or the new owner of the machine if this is being filled out by a dealer representative. After filling out your warranty registration form, we want to be crystal clear about what you can expect. First, you'll receive a confirmation email personally by a Portamix member. Secondly, you will receive a gift pack welcoming you to the Portamix community. Being a part of the Portamix community does mean you will be initially added to our communications list, which will cover new product launches, monthly updates, deals, as well as your Hippo birthday, which comes with another gift. So while we try to keep our communications to essential and helpful information for you, we do understand if you'd prefer to just have your product an extended warranty and waive the rest. So if you would like to opt out, you may do so at the bottom of your confirmation email. This will remove you from the associated communications list, as well as any gift send-out queues. That covers it for warranty information you need to know. Some additional items you may want to brief yourself on could include checking with your dealer to see if they have a repair center for any potential problems you may run into, or if they have a location for repairs lined up and any expectations that you can set around that area. You can also introduce yourself to Portamix directly. We have a friendly team that really pride ourselves on having great relationships with installers, and this can shorten the time and future for any support you might need. Finally, you can check out our other resources and how-to videos at portamix.com/resources to be sure you're mixing your best. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for the most up-to-date content, and until next time, keep mixing with the best.